Welcome to our deep dive into the top 5 Python libraries for multi-agent systems explained. Today, we'll explore how these powerful tools can transform your agent-based projects by enhancing scalability and robustness. Have you ever wondered how complex systems like traffic management or stock trading algorithms operate so efficiently? Welcome to the world of multi-agent systems. These systems are pivotal in simulating and managing complex, dynamic environments where multiple agents interact. In today's video, we will uncover the top 5 Python libraries that make developing these systems a breeze. You'll learn about their unique features, installation processes, and how they can be integrated into your projects to enhance scalability and robustness. Let's dive into Spade, a versatile library for creating multi-agent systems in Python. Spade stands out for its simplicity and robust communication protocols. To get started, you'll need to install it using pip. Open your terminal and type pip install Spade. Once installed, you can start configuring your agents by defining their behavior and communication strategies. Spade's strength lies in its ability to handle complex interactions effortlessly. If you encounter any issues during installation, ensure your Python environment is correctly set up and consult the Spade documentation for troubleshooting tips. Next up is Mesa, a powerful library for agent-based modeling. Mesa is designed with simplicity in mind, making it perfect for those new to multi-agent systems. It employs a model view controller architecture, which separates the logic, interface, and control flows for cleaner code. To begin, install Mesa using pip install Mesa and create your first agent by defining its attributes and behaviors. One of Mesa's standout features is its built-in visualization tool, allowing you to see your agents in action. Whether you're modeling ecosystems or social dynamics, Mesa's versatility makes it a top choice for many developers.
Let's explore PyMOS, a library designed specifically for simulations. PyMOS excels in scenarios requiring detailed agent behaviors and interactions. Start by installing it via pip install PyMOS. Once installed, you can set up complex simulations by defining agents, environments, and the underlying rules governing their interactions. PyMOS provides extensive customization options, allowing you to tailor agent behaviors to your specific needs. After running your simulations, PyMOS offers powerful tools for analyzing results, making it ideal for research and industrial applications where precision is key. Now, let's talk about OpenAI Gym, a toolkit for developing and comparing reinforcement learning algorithms. OpenAI Gym provides a suite of environments for agents to learn through trial and error. To integrate it, use pip install Gym and explore its pre-built environments. OpenAI Gym is particularly useful for training agents that require learning from interactions rather than predefined rules. This makes it a favorite in AI and robotics, where adaptability is crucial. By experimenting with different algorithms, you can optimize your agent's decision-making processes, creating more intelligent and autonomous systems. Combs.net is more than just a library, it's a community-driven platform for collaborative modeling and simulation. It offers advanced features that facilitate sharing and accessing models globally. To get started, register on their platform and explore their extensive model library. Combs.net supports collaborative efforts, allowing researchers and developers to work together, enhancing both the quality and impact of their simulations. By leveraging its advanced features, you can contribute to and benefit from a wealth of knowledge, making it an invaluable resource for academic and research pursuits.
Choosing the right library often depends on performance and scalability. In this segment, we'll compare how each library handles common tasks and scales with increased complexity. Performance benchmarking involves running standardized tasks and measuring execution times. Look for bottlenecks that could impede system efficiency, such as slow communication protocols or high memory usage. By understanding these aspects, you can make informed decisions about which library best suits your project, ensuring your multi-agent system remains robust and scalable.
Finally, it's crucial to select the library that best aligns with your project needs. Start by clearly defining your project requirements and goals. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of each library in relation to these goals. Consider factors like ease of use, community support, and future scalability. For instance, if your project requires extensive simulations, PyMOS might be the ideal choice. However, if collaboration is key, Combs.net could be more suitable. By matching libraries to your specific needs, you ensure a smoother development process and a more successful outcome.
In conclusion, we've explored the top 5 Python libraries that are transforming the way we develop multi-agent systems. From Spade's robust communication protocols to Combs.net's collaborative features, each library offers unique advantages. Now, it's time for you to take these insights and apply them to your projects. Experiment with different combinations and leverage community resources for support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below on which library you're excited to try.